Welcome everyone to another video of our career counseling series in which we are discovering the scope of different BS programs offered in Pakistan and across the world. So today we are going to discuss BS Biochemistry, its introduction, eligibility, institutes, research centers, scope and opportunities. So before starting the video, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can receive regular updates regarding scholarships, fellowships, internships and exchange programs abroad. So first of all, we need to understand the concept of biochemistry before coming towards its scope. So biochemistry is basically a branch of science that explores the chemical processes within and related to living organisms. As the name suggests, that it is a combination of biological sciences and chemistry. So it is a laboratory based science that brings together biology and chemistry. By using chemical knowledge and techniques, biochemists can understand and solve biological problems. So as you know that behind every living thing there are chemical processes that occur within the body that govern the physical characteristics within a living body. So biochemists are basically inclined towards using the chemical techniques in order to solve the biological problems. So if you are someone interested in both biological sciences and chemistry, then you should opt for the field. Coming towards the eligibility criteria and duration, so we are talking about the BS Biochemistry program. For that, you need to have a FSc pre-medical degree with at least 60% marks. This threshold level may vary from university to university and from public sector university to private sector universities, but in general 60% marks are required for taking admission in biochemistry. Entry test may be required for admission that can be conducted by the university itself, or it can use the test conducted by HEC. 4 years honors degree program is offered as BS Biochemistry. Each semester will be of 6 months and in total you will be having 8 semesters. Coming towards the fee structure varies greatly these days among the universities, but in general if you are targeting the public sector institutes, then it will be somewhere between 30,000 to 80,000 Pakistani rupees, and if you are targeting the private sector university, then it could be between 1 lakh to 2 lakh 20,000 rupees. Universities that are offering BS Biochemistry, there are an immense number of universities that are offering this program. However, we are going to see some of these options, like top 10 universities that are offering BS Biochemistry are here. First of all, we have Government College University Faisalabad, University of Agriculture Faisalabad, Quaid-e-Azam University Islamabad, University of Sargodha, Bahauddin Zakariya University Multan, University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences Lahore, University of Karachi, Canaid College for Women Lahore, University of Punjab Lahore and University of Sialkot are offering BS Biochemistry program specifically. So coming towards the research centers of biochemistry, knowing the research centers of your field within Pakistan is very important for finding out the internship opportunities as well as the job opportunities once you complete your degree program. So there are a large number of centers that are working on biotechnology, biochemistry, in general the biological sciences. So you can consider these options while you are looking forward to internship opportunities as well as job opportunities. So first of all, we have Ayub Agricultural Research Center in Faisalabad, National Institute for Biotechnology and Genetic Engineering Faisalabad, Nuclear Institute for Agriculture and Biology NAAB Faisalabad, National Agricultural Research Center NARC, it has various branches in different cities. PCSIR Laboratories Lahore, so National Institute of Health NIH Islamabad, Dr. Panjwani Center for Molecular Medicine and Drug Research University of Karachi, Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission, Agricultural Research Institutes, Center for Excellence in Molecular Biology, University of Punjab Lahore. So all the centers that are working on biotechnology, molecular biology, genetics, agricultural sciences, molecular medicine, drug research, so all of such institutes may consider including biochemists as well. So you can look forward to other opportunities as well. Coming towards the major areas of specialization, after doing BS Chemistry, you can specialize in one of these areas. First of all, you can go towards studying the structural biology, and you can acquire expertise related to proteomics, genomics, or the chemical structures behind different enzymes or different proteins, different DNAs, RNAs. So everything that relates to the structural aspect of the biological sciences is included in this aspect of biochemistry. Then we have another option of studying enzymology, that is basically more inclined towards industrial applications. So you are going to study the manipulation of enzymes for creating a particular product. It may be included in the drug design, improving plant varieties, or producing any food product from the living sources like plants, or extracting some useful products, etc. Or you can study the metabolism. You can specialize in studying metabolism, like something related to health, how metabolism take place, how something is utilized within the body, how some deficiencies could affect the health. So such kind of aspects are studied in this domain. And the final option is biochemical engineering. Nowadays there are emerging concepts of like CRISPR, or modifying the food crops. So all of such techniques involve biochemical engineering to produce better varieties. So you can also opt for one of these areas of specialization within your BS, and as well as after completing it. It is nowadays very important to acquire relevant online courses related to your profession while you are doing your BS program. So there are some great opportunities out there. EDX, Coursera and Iversity among the top platforms that provide online free courses from one of the top universities in the world. So you can study while sitting in Pakistan at the top universities of the world, including Cambridge University, Oxford University, Harvard and many other top ranked universities. So EDX is one of my favorites. We also have a separate video how to acquire a 90% discount on certification fee on EDX. So make sure you have 2 to 4 courses relevant to your field in your profile before you complete your BS program. Internship opportunities, again, when you have summer breaks in your BS program, you should look forward to internship opportunities. In where you can look forward to biochemistry internships, you can go to pharmaceutical industry, share your CV with them and ask them that you are interested to work as an internee. Don't worry about the payments, you can do it unpaid internships. Just try to add more experience into your profile so that when you go out in the market after completing your BS, you should be competent enough to tackle the professional responsibilities. You can also look forward to go to diagnostic labs if you are inclined towards diagnostics, you like testing or biochemical testing. There are several types of tests that involve biochemistry studies. So you can look forward for internship opportunities in the diagnostic lab like Chugtai Lab or Shaukat Khanam, etc. are some of the big names working in Pakistan. Then another option is going to food industry like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Nestle and all such milk making industries, dairy industry. So all such industries use biochemists for different types of quality assurance, quality check or nutritional, to study the nutritional properties. So you can also work as an internee in the food industry. Then finally you have agro based industries like fertilizer industry. So you can look forward to work here as an internee again because it involves biochemical processes at a big level, so that will increase your exposure towards more professional implementation of your field. What are the career options after doing BS biochemistry? There is a lot of opportunities that you can avail after completing your BS biochemistry program. The world is open for you. You can either join any research center as a researcher. Remember that there are research projects where research assistants or research associates are hired within Pakistan as well as abroad. So you can look forward to these opportunities to work as a researcher. Then you can work as a lab technician in diagnostic labs. As I have told you that different diagnostic labs have biochemical testing. So if you have hands-on expertise on different kinds of diagnostic tests, then you can work as a lab technician as well. Quality assurance officer in food industry. All the food industries involve biochemical processing of the food, so you can work as a quality assurance officer in the food industry as well. Biochemist and the pharma industry. So pharmaceutical industries specifically require biochemists. There are specific positions for chemists and biochemists that work on the drug discovery, testing and other aspects of the pharmaceutical industries. So you can also keep this option in view. You can also work as an analyst or a specialist in the agricultural sector. the Ministry of Climate Change in Pakistan and the Ministry of Agriculture acquire specialists that are skilled in biological sciences or more experts in the field of agriculture, so you can work in this sector as well. Forensic expert, it is one of the largest domains opted after completing biochemistry, so you can work in forensic labs as a forensic expert, making your expertise towards forensics. Then you can go towards health officer in the public health sector. So there is a position of public of health officer uh, that deals with the problems associated with public health. So all the government level organizations have this department and they announce specific positions related to that field. So you can also work as a supporting staff in the healthcare, like healthcare department, including hospitals or awareness centers or wellness centers. So in all these such kind of like areas, you can work as a supporting staff as well. You can work as a medical writer, you can work as a supporting staff, you can work as a manager, you can work as an assistant. So all these positions are available after completing your biochemistry program. Make sure you utilize your 4 years efficiently so that when you go to the market you stand in a competitive position. So this was all about BS biochemistry and its scope within Pakistan and as well as at the international level. So hope you have liked the video. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment down the video if you have any questions. With that, this is Dr. Bookworm signing off. Thank you.